Let us see how to operate the electronic voting machine. Ensure that the slide switch is kept in the correct position, which can be seen through the window at the right side top of the ballot unit. Connect the ballot unit to the control unit using the interconnecting cable. Switch on the control unit. Open the Candidate Set section. Press the Candidate Set button. Thereupon, the display section will flash the letter Set Candidate with 2 dashes with interrupted beep sound. If display panel shows the word invalid, it signifies that data related to some previous operation is in the machine. In such situation, the previous voting data has to be cleared for setting the number of contesting candidates. For this purpose, press the Close button and wait till the display sequence terminates with poll closed. Thereafter, press the Result button. Wait till the display End appears. Now, press the Clear button and again wait till display End appears. Thereafter, press the Candidate Set button and now the display flashes Set Candidate with 2 dashes. Now, let us see the procedure for setting the contesting candidates. When above words start flashing on the display panel on the control unit, press the Candidates button against the last contesting candidate in ballot unit. For example, if there are 9 contesting candidates, press the 9th Candidates button. On that button being pressed, the display panel will stop flashing the letters Set Candidate with 2 dashes. Instead, the display panel will start displaying the letter Candidates 9. This way, the machine is set for 9 contesting candidates. Press the Ballot button on the control unit. On pressing the Ballot button, busy lamp in the display section will glow red. Simultaneously, the ready lamp on the ballot unit will also glow green. The ballot unit has an opening for every candidate's button, through which the blue button against the candidate's name and symbol can be accessed. A voter has to press a button on the ballot unit against a candidate of his or her choice to cast a vote for that candidate. On pressing this button, the arrow lamp left to the candidate button glows red for a few seconds, indicating that the vote is recorded to that candidate. A beep sound also comes from the control unit. The Total button, when pressed, will show the status of the battery, current date and time, number of contesting candidates, and the total number of votes recorded till then. This button may be pressed at any time, but not when the busy lamp is on. Once the Close button is pressed, no further voting is possible. This button is to be pressed at the close of the poll. When this button is pressed, the closing, the date and time, the serial number, the total number of candidates, the total polled votes, and the word Poll Closed will be displayed on the display panel. The Result button is used to find the total number of votes polled for the post and votes polled for each candidate as shown. Computing result, poll result with date, poll start and poll end time, serial number of machine, number of contesting candidates, total votes polled for each candidate sequentially. After the above display, the display panel will show the word End. Result can be seen any number of times by pressing this button again and again. If the result is seen second time, the display sequence will start with poll result with date and after the sequence terminate with end. The clear button is required to be pressed before the start of a poll for clearing the machine and to show that no votes are recorded in favor of any candidate. At this stage, if display shows invalid, it indicates machine is operated out of sequence. In such case, close, result and clear (CRC) buttons should be operated to activate the machine. Note that the buttons have to be operated in proper sequence. Otherwise, invalid will appear in the display. The control unit has a buzzer which gives a beep sound every time it displays some information. A beep sound of not less than 2 seconds after the voter casts his vote. A beep sound of 2 seconds after any change in the information as indicated in the display panel, for example, when displaying total or candidate set. Short, interrupted beeps to draw attention to any malfunctioning, disconnection or errors. A beep of 4 seconds when a button is pressed out of sequence.